Do you want to eat mango? On understanding various advantages of mango, your adoration for this organic product will build complex. It tastes great as well as has numerous medical advantages. Here we give you 15 top solid purposes behind why you ought to eat mangoes during summer. It helps in battling malignant growth. Mangoes contain cell reinforcements, for example, quercetin, ficedin, isoquercitrin, astragalin, gallic corrosive and methyl gallate. Every one of these properties secure our body against bosom malignancy, colon disease, prostate malignancy and leukemia. Aids in keeping up cholesterol level. Mangoes contain elevated level of nutrient C, fiber and gelatin, making it an ideal organic product that helps in controlling elevated cholesterol level. It helps in purging skin. Another advantage of eating mangoes is that it purges your skin from somewhere inside your body. It treats pores and gives a shine to your skin. Thus, eat mangoes to get a perfect skin. Aids in managing diabetes. Eating mango leaves are incredible to direct diabetes. Along these lines, individuals experiencing diabetes should bubble 5 to 6 mango leaves in a vessel. Splash it short term and drink the sifted decoction promptly in the first part of the day. Likewise, mango has a low glycemic record. Eating mango with some restraint won't increment your glucose level. Aids in alkalizing your body. As mangoes are improved with tartaric and malic corrosive and contain hints of citrus extract, it helps in keeping up the salt save of our body. An approach to get in shape. As mango contains a great deal of nutrients and fundamental supplements, eating one mango causes you to feel more full. Likewise, as it is stacked with sinewy substance, it helps the stomach-related capacity and consumes undesirable calories from the body. This, thusly, helps in losing additional weight. An aphrodisiac natural product. Mango is otherwise called the affection organic product. It has the sexual enhancer characteristics which likewise increment virility in men. Along these lines, have mangoes and upgrade your adoration and enthusiasm. For sound eyes. Mangoes are additionally stacked with vitamin A, making it an ideal organic product to improve visual perception. It additionally forestalls night visual impairment and dry eyes. Helps great assimilation. The chemicals in mangoes help in separating protein content in the body. Enhanced with fiber, mangoes help great assimilation and forestalls many stomach-related maladies. Forestalls heat stroke. This late spring organic product likewise helps in forestalling heat stroke. Eating it chills you off quickly and subsequently revives you. Include this super organic product in summer and remain cool during the hot climate. Help in reinforcing invulnerable framework. Mangoes likewise contain vitamin C, and in other various types of carotenoids. All these fundamental supplements are advantageous for your resistant framework, keeping it solid and sound. Use it as a body scour. Aside from eating, applying mango scour on your body gives you a smoother and delicate skin. You can make a glue by pounding mangoes and adding nectar and milk to it. Tenderly back rub and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and afterward wash it off to get an extraordinary skin. Improves fixation and memory. On the off chance that you think that it's hard to focus and have low memory, at that point gorge on mangoes. They help in improving your focus as well as lift your memory. Contains high iron substance. The high iron substance in mango is a characteristic solution for pallid individuals. Likewise, ladies ought to eat mangoes to expand iron level and calcium content in their bodies. When to eat and the amount to eat. Because of its heavenly delicious taste, mangoes are certainly probably the best thing about the late spring season. The ruler of natural products can surely be appreciated in an assortment of ways and is the ideal option in contrast to handled sweets to hold your sugar longings in line. Notwithstanding, since mangoes will in general be high in calories and sugar, some diced mangoes contains around 100 calories, it shocks no one that diabetics are a little cynic in expending this delectable treat. It ought to be noticed that since 90% of the calories present in this yellow organic product originates from sugar, it might prompt a spike in glucose in diabetes patients. Nonetheless, the glycemic record of mango is 51, which characterizes it as a low GI food. GI list is utilized to quantify the effect of nourishments on glucose levels. Moreover, it is likewise stacked with cancer prevention agents and strands, which can help in holding your glucose levels under tight restraints. On the off chance that you have diabetes and you are wanting for some mangoes, it is essential to rehearse portion control and abstain from eating a ton of it simultaneously. Check your absolute calorie necessity for the afternoon and start with a little part of mangoes to check its effect on your glucose levels. It is prudent to expend mangoes with its mash and dodge squeezes and shakes. Eventually, it is critical to have a word with your primary care physician to comprehend the right segment of mangoes you ought to expend in a day.